Hello, and this is a feedback for the Unified Mentor Internship. And in first, I have looking for a summer internship, and Unified Mentor is the perfect one because firstly I need to learn the things because I am like a newbie in this field and I want to learn that. And Unified Mentor has put a hand on me, and I have learned everything from scratch and built some amazing projects. In my internship journey of 2 months, I have built 4 projects from scratch, and every day there is a session, live session, and every day there is a reward if you do that, and after that, the next level unlocks. And at first, I am very thankful to every mentors over there, and thanks for this very grateful initiative. In conclusion, overall my internship experience with Unified Mentor was incredible. I will support this internship a lot, and I have told my friends to join this also. Thank you.